Hi everyone, today's video is a set of me using the Apres Gel X system on one of my clients. Her design that she has today is relatively similar to the one that I've got on because I tried this system out on myself the night before just to give it a go on myself before I put it on a client, and she said, I like what you've got, can we do something similar? So I've added my dehydrator and primer, and now I'm just applying a little thin coat of the Extend Gel to all of the nails, and she'll cure those in the lamp for 30 seconds. And then once she's cured those and comes back out, this is when we add the nails. You do this by adding some of the Extend Gel into the nail where you apply it, and then you rock this down the nail plate so that the gel pushes down the nail towards the free edge, and then as you can see I'm just brushing out the residue that comes out down the tip just to keep it nice and clear and so that we're not curing a ledge underneath. And then you'll see that when I'm curing it with the little light, I'm sort of curing it in sections. I'm not fully removing my finger off. This is just to make sure that I'm not getting any air bubbles in that gel. So we flash cure these for 10 seconds each with this little light, and then once we've done all of the nails on one hand, my client will then cure her hand fully for 30 seconds in my regular LED lamp. And these nails, when I bought this kit, I opted to get the long stiletto shape. You can get pretty much every single shape and every single length, from round, stiletto, coffin, square, and all the lengths, short, medium, long. But yeah, I'm cutting these down here, so you could get the long stiletto, for example, and then turn them into a medium ballerina if you wanted to. You'll see now that I'm coming in with my hand file and we're making a nice sort of medium length almond shape. And now I'm just coming in with my sanding band on a speed of about 8. I use the Cyan K35 e-file, and I'm just going around the edges, around the cuticle and sidewalls, just to make sure that any little tiny bits of gel that might have seeped out get filed away, and we're also roughing that surface ready for a gel polish application. So now cleanse the nails and brush off any dust with my little dusting brush, and then I start coming in with my gel polish, and I sort of paint these halfway down the nail, tidy the halfway line up with a gel brush and some gel cleaner, and the colours that I'm using on the pinky finger was the Pastel V005, ring fingers Pastel V110, and the middle fingers Pastel V082, this pointer fingers Pastel V101, and the thumbnail is Pastel V001. These are all colours from the pastel collection from the gel bottle. So yeah, once I've tidied up that line, my client will then cure these for 30 seconds. And then when she comes out of the lamp, I'll do a second coat and do exactly the same again, and then cure for a further 30 seconds. So once they're cured, I do come in and cleanse the sticky inhibition layer from the gel, because I'm going to be using a foil on the clear tips, and I don't want the foil to stick to the coloured gel polish. So I'm applying my Stick It foil gel, which I got from Now Stamping Queen UK on Instagram. So I'm just applying that with a gel brush, and the instructions on the site do say to cure it for 30 seconds, but that you need to check basically to see how it works in your lamp, because we all use different lamps. I found 30 seconds was too long when I did it on myself the night before, so we just cured this for 10 seconds and it came out just right. So once they've been cured for about 10 seconds, I come in with my foil. This is just a clear foil with a holographic pattern on. I think these foils are just from AliExpress, which I get a lot of my stuff like foils, like cheap nail alloys, striper tape, things like that. I get them all from AliExpress because you can just bulk buy a load of it. It only costs you like £1 or £2 an item. It's free postage. The only downside is that it does take quite a few weeks to arrive. But if you're willing to wait for it, then you can avoid paying extortionate prices. I find that a lot of UK sellers sell all this stuff and it'll cost you about £5 each, and then you've got to pay for postage as well, and you know, it's all relatively cheap stuff, so if you can wait for it, then why not just spend a few pounds on it instead. So the foil that I am using, sorry not foil, the striping tape that I'm using now, again it's probably from AliExpress, and we're alternating between colours. We're using a holographic pink and holographic blue, and I'm just using that to divide that gel polish and foil space on the nails. And when I cut that tape as well, I make sure that I just cut it just shy of the edge of the nail, so that when I top coat, it's being encased in there nicely. The gel top coat that I'm using to do this encapsulation is the gel bottle rubber top coat. It is quite a thick top coat, which is good for encapsulating things like striping tape and little bits of glitter and stuff like that. So I do all that, and my client will cure this in the LED lamp for 30 seconds, I think this was. It might have been 60, I can't remember, but yeah, we cure this, and then once she comes out of the lamp, you'll see me just file around the edges with my hand file, just because this top coat is quite thick, so I wanted to make sure that that shape was kept nice and tidy. So after I cleaned all those nails off and filed them, etc, etc, I'm just coming in with a final top coat for a bit of security. And this is my Diamond Nail Supplies tack-free top shine. And you also notice that I am just going under that clear tip as well, just to really make sure you've got that nice glass see-through look. And then my client will cure these for 30 seconds, and then we'll just finish with a bit of cuticle oil. So like I say, the products I've used in this video, the Apres Nail Gel X system and gel polish colours from the gel bottle. All of my core line stuff like preps, cuticle oils, things like that are from Diamond Nail Supplies, and you can get 10% off with them with my code EMMA10. This is what the finished nails look like, so I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in another video soon.